In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track client deliverables in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable system to keep every client project organized, visible, and moving forward. Start by opening ClickUp and setting up the foundation. Create a new space and name it something like Client Deliverables. Or use your existing project space if you prefer to keep everything together. Inside that space, add a folder called Clients. This folder will act like a container, and within it, you'll create one list per client. Giving each client their own list keeps their deliverables separate, easy to scan, and simple to report on. Inside the Clients folder, create your first list and name it with a clear convention, such as Client ABC Corp. This list will house all tasks and deliverables for that specific client, so you can find everything in one place without digging. Next, set up your workflow. Open the list settings and customize your statuses to match how work moves through your team. A straightforward flow is not started, in progress, under review, approved, and delivered. These statuses make progress obvious, reduce back and forth, and help everyone see exactly where a deliverable stands. Quick note: if you need the app or want to access ClickUp in your browser, you'll find the link to the website and the download link at the top of the description. Now, build a reusable task template so every deliverable follows the same quality steps. Create a new task called Client Deliverable Template and add a checklist with the core milestones. Requirements gathered, first draft created, internal review completed, client feedback received, and final version delivered. Save it as a task template so you can spin up consistent tasks in seconds. When you create deliverables, assign the right team members. Set due dates for each stage to keep momentum, and use subtasks for multi-part work like social assets, documents, or design files. Subtasks make ownership crystal clear and help with workload planning. Add custom fields to capture key details: deliverable type, priority, and client approval status. With these fields, you can filter, sort, and report across clients without losing the big picture. Use multiple views to track progress. Board view gives you a Kanban-style pipeline. Table view lets you filter by client, priority, or due date. Timeline or Gantt gives you a calendar view to plan across multiple clients. Finally, duplicate your client deliverable template for each new item, update the title, due dates, and assignees, then move it through the statuses until it's delivered and approved. That's it. Your client deliverables are now organized and under control. Thanks for watching.